Alright, well, here's part 2 of the CharLynn POWER PAC mounting project. And this is my vision, sort of, for the mounting plate. I don't know. Looks like I made a mess out of it. Those holes are supposed to be 1/2 inch, but I miscalculated and ended up having to bore them out to 3/4 to get the bolt holes to line up. That big hole in the middle was supposed to be plasma'd, but I ruined the tip on the plasma cutter. I don't know what happened. I was holding it off the metal, and all of a sudden I couldn't move it anymore. It was stuck to the damn steel. Just blew back and stuck to the steel. So that cut went like crap. And then welding the little bracket to the top. As you can see, I don't know how to weld. I'm just an incompetent hack. I thought I was doing good. I was looking through the helmet and looked fine to me. Looked like I was doing a great job. The metal was flowing out best I could tell. Now it ended up with a worm and 2 big blobs. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I can't get it any hotter. I can't go any slower. If I go any slower, I just blow the metal away. And I get any hotter, the whole stupid rod just turns into a cinder all at once. I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong, but I don't know. Maybe it's the machine, but I'm getting frustrated with this whole welding thing. I've been trying for years to figure it out, and I'm running bead after bead after bead, and every bead is different. I don't know. I can't get any consistency at all. I think I'm getting it, and then the next bead looks like that. But the good news is I test fit this on the tractor just a few minutes ago. Actually, I did it before I welded it, and everything fits perfectly. You know, it's sort of, the power takeoff shaft sort of hangs in the center of this whatever here. This round hole thing. Yeah, that's me following the line. As you can tell, I wasn't very good at coloring in kindergarten. But I got some more grinding to do. I'm going to grind that stupid weld down so it looks halfway decent. Yeah, I'm going to title this video, Why God Invented Flat Washers. So, yeah. Doesn't look quite so bad when you flip the weld out of view and put some flat washers on over the bolts. I'm out of focus again. There we go. But you can see here, this little guy just slips on over here. It's about 1/8 of an inch there. And then that guy is going to go like that. Now, I am debating on trying to weld these two, just weld them face to face like that. We're not talking about a huge amount of horsepower here. I figure probably 4 or 5 tack welds around the outside. If I clamp them down hard in a V block of some sort and just hit them with some welding rod and just tack them, maybe 4 or 5, 6 times around the edge at regular intervals and let it cool. Keep her clamped in the vise. Hopefully get it straight. I mean, worst case scenario, I can always cut it apart again and just cut the tacks with a grinder and be done with it. But yeah, this is all it's going to do. It's just like that. This guy here, this one here, 1 3/8 6 spline. This guy here, 1 1/4 with a keyway. Keyway slots in here like there. I gotta cut that down a little bit, either that or bring it out. There's going to be about a 1/4 of an inch gap between the end of the power takeoff shaft and the end of the pump shaft as it is. I'm not sure you can see that. I know you can't see that because it ain't focused. There we go. But you can see there's maybe, I don't know, not much. Maybe 1/8 of an inch there, and I think there's going to be about the same on the other side with the power takeoff shaft. I'll just drop a couple of flat washers in there to space it off if I think I need it, you know, if I want to rest these end to end. But I don't think that's going to be necessary. Maybe it will. I don't know how much this tank is going to weigh full of hydraulic fluid. Maybe centrifugal force will hold it up. I don't know. But this actually is pretty much just what comes with it originally. I kind of replicated it in my own crude way.